Hello and welcome to State Scoop series on the journey to the cloud. My guest today is Tom Keane. He's the head of global infrastructure for Microsoft Azure. Tom, how you doing?
I'm great, thanks for having me.
So Tom, we're talking about the cloud today. How is the cloud helping state and local government agencies succeed in achieving their agency's mission?
Well, like all of government, state and local is looking to be more efficient. Part of how efficiency plays out is things like data center consolidation and using more modern technology as they digitally transform. What cloud is allowing state and local governments to do is to use new cutting edge technology like artificial intelligence, data, machine learning, or even cognitive services, the capabilities that we have in Azure Government to ultimately help better serve citizens in a more efficient way.
So tell me about the most interesting cloud projects that you're seeing across state and local government, either right now or in the near future, and what technologies are making those possible?
There are some really interesting problems in the state and local space and some really important national problems where state and local government is in fact taking the lead. A really concrete example is the opioid crisis. States like the state of Virginia are taking a lead nationally and using cloud technology to help them solve this really critical problem. The opioid crisis is a crisis that involves health data. It involves law enforcement and criminal justice data, social service data, and all of these technologies allow us to be aggregating that data in, and Microsoft Azure has great technology that the state of Virginia is in fact using to help visualize this and correlate these problems so that ultimately they can start to reduce this crisis and begin to turn around a health situation whilst taking that leadership and then sharing it with other states as well as the federal government.
That's outstanding. And so you mentioned AI in your earlier answer. How do you see government organizations and agencies using emerging cloud technology to really further their missions?
Well, there are a bunch of very exciting technologies right now. Just this week we announced the release of blockchain for Azure Government, and blockchain is an incredibly exciting technology as we look at solving problems that are central to states, be it voter record management, be it tax management, or be it fraud, waste, and abuse. It represents a secure way to collaborate for the states and to work across all of the different entities that can be involved in solving some of these problems.
That's really exciting. And so, we hear a lot about the importance of a government-only cloud. How does that government-only cloud with that built-in compliance really help state and local government overcome their challenges?
Well, security is our top priority, and for most states, security is also their top priority as they look at cloud. And part of what we've done with Azure Government is we've built an exclusive cloud for government. And what that means is, as we look at some of these strict and important compliance regimes, like, for example, CJIS for law enforcement, or FedRAMP, or HIPAA for healthcare data, what our cloud offering with Azure Government provides our customers and each of these states is confidence that their compliance regimes, their security requirements can be met inside our cloud.
Well, that's great. Well, Tom, look forward to hearing more about all that. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you.
For more on the journey to the cloud, check out statescoop.com. Again, I'm here with Tom Keane from Microsoft Azure. I'm Jake Williams, State Scoop's Associate Publisher and Director of Strategic Initiatives. Thanks for watching.